This is something I use, sourcing guidance. So when I get this out of here, when I come to this, whatever category you sell in frequently, you want to know what's moving. So I'm more interested in clothing and shoes and accessories. So if we want to figure out what is going for women, I sell a lot of women's clothes. So we're gonna go down here to women's clothing, and let's do women's. Let me see what would be going on right now. Coats, because it's about to get cold outside. So you see, we're gonna be selling them mostly used. And you can see right here where we are in September. It's about to start trending upward for coats, vests, and jackets, right? Gives you a price breakdown right here for what is selling and how much. So from under $20 to $100 is the range that you're gonna be selling most of the used coats. And then it tells you the style of coat: basic, jacket, basic coat. It'll tell you. Brand is what I'm more interested in than anything. So these brands have a high opportunity score. That means that eBay has noticed that these brands have been selling more than other brands. Not to say that other brands are not going to do well, but these are like the brands that are highly sought after, that people are looking for. So number one, North Face, Patagonia, Columbia, LL Bean, St. John, Levi's, Eileen Fisher, Eddie Bauer, going all the way down the list, right? This don't mean that if you get this stuff, it's gonna automatically sell, because I have a lot of Columbia stuff and it moves pretty slow. You have to match up all this stuff, and to do that, for the best one, a jean jacket, a Levi's top brand. So if you want to get the absolute top thing that's selling the fastest, you might want to go look for jean jackets that are Levi's, that are blue and denim. This is the average price what you're going to get for it. So when you go to the store, you're going to say, how much profit do I want to make? So now you kind of know how to gauge what you need to be paying for stuff at wherever you source. If you're sourcing at thrift stores or garage sales, estate sales, whatever, you need to be looking at these numbers. So you can look at the top 10 and it'll tell you what they're retailing for. And then you can set your business up how you want to set it up. So you can set it up to the point where you're like, man, I want to sell the highest ticket item. So that'll be a North Face, a black North Face jacket, basic jacket, material polyester, is going for $38. A puffer North Face jacket is going for $75. Black material down. So based off this, North Face and Wilson's leather and Levi's jean jackets will be the ones that most likely I would target. But it depends if you want your stuff to move fast. Like a Gap jacket, that's only $16. That's the average rate what they're going for. You're gonna sell that probably much faster than you would a North Face jacket, or a North Face jacket that's selling for $75, just because it don't cost that much. But also, if you happen to see a jacket while you're out and about, you can search it. If you don't remember to search it while you're out and about on your phone, you come back to the house, remember the name, and you can check it. So let's say you found a Balmain, right? Let's add Balmain. Growth opportunity score 1. Nobody is really buying Balmain jackets, even though Balmain is a high, like, name brand type thing. Like, and this might not even be 100% accurate. If I see a Balmain jacket, I'm getting it. Regardless what eBay say, I'm gonna get it, because I feel like people want name brand stuff. So that is how you can learn to source your store, by using the sourcing guidance